Alright, YouTube, what's up? Doing some cleaning in here. Got the vacuum going on. You know, sorry if it's a little loud. I hope you can hear me well. I don't know if you're connected to Bluetooth or not. I think you are, but hopefully you can hear me. Well, I was doing a recording. I hope you guys don't laugh at me, but I was doing a recording, talking this whole time, not realizing that my video wasn't on. So let me make this video now. I'll check that later and see what happened. Maybe I ran out of space on my phone, but I'm not sure. So I was saying to the phone itself, I guess, is I can't wait to put an exhaust on this. This is all stock. I was saying that you can hear the nice super rumble in the engine part. I love the engine, so I'll show it again since it didn't record before. But it's so clean and nice. It's gotten dusty. I haven't washed it yet. But everything's real nice. So, I'm just giving it a little bath right now, but I'm probably not going to wash it. But, yeah. So, like I was saying in the other videos, it's a great family car, and it's fun. And you really hear it when you're grinding the gears down. And when you want to move, it moves. It pulls really nice. Now, it says stock. It's only pushing 170 horsepower. And same thing with torque is 170. But, I said the only thing I plan on doing to it is a cold air intake and a nice exhaust. I really want to get the Tomei exhaust. I just hope it should fit this car outline on the bottom. But I'll figure that out eventually. I'll get the diagram and the setup and see how it goes through the car and make sure that it lines up with it. If not, I'll just get something that's still decent. But yeah, like I said in the other part, I'm gonna get a workout in a little bit after this before it rains and just keep up the routine that I'm doing, mixing it up with explosive CrossFit exercises. But yeah, guys, definitely if you need like a bigger vehicle, more space, plenty of storage space for the trunk, and plenty of seat room for, if you have kids or not, it's great. It's got plenty of room. The seats are comfortable. It's got heated seats, high or low. And that is Bluetooth compatible and all that. Tells you everything you need up there in that little dashboard. But, yeah. So, I'll do a little recording for a workout in a little bit after I'm done cleaning the interior and wiping it down. And I'll do a little recording for that, and then so I have 2 videos for you guys today. Please like, subscribe, comment, let me know if there's anything else you want to see or know. If you guys want help with like ideas on working out, or if you want help on anything, just hit me up.